Romantic.
James is red. Thomas is blue.
Uh-huh. Solar power. Dad's in the kitchen.
And I'm cooking.
This is for Daddy. And this is for you.
Airplane?
Step right up. Come on. Come on.
Ha-ha. While Mommy was on a bike ride, I went to the store too.
And
Yeah,
look
excuse
what
her.
you brought me.
10 miles she did, right? Wow!
You love it?
What is for?
Can you read it? It says, "The sky's the limit
Do you
for a special boy like you." Happy Valentine's Day.
And what do you? Can you build it for me?
Why don't you build it?
How?
What do
I
you
don't know
know?
how to build it.
That's
What is in here? Look what Mommy brought me, Daddy.
Happy Valentine's.
Oh,
Haven't you been asking for that?
Yeah.
look at my
You know what it
son.
is?
And Daddy, look what Mommy brought you. Look
He's in
what
the
Mommy
kitchen.
brought you, Daddy. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Since he loves to wear shoes in the house, he has memory foam slippers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Remember that.
And look what you got again.
Remember that.
Look. And
Mmm. Skittles. Bite-sized candy. Taste the rainbow. And M&M's.
thanks, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome, baby. You got a seat pad.
Thank you.
So now when you
Right.
fall asleep, your head won't fall.
Yay.
And Dad can wear
you can take my
slippers. He can take those off.
Now I can really be old.
Oh,
Trying to make me old. That took me, got me out in California, trying to make me old. You know I got some big feet. My feet is
They don't fit.
no, my foot is on the back of that.
And that's extra large.
Sheesh.
Look.
I thought you got Daddy a
I knew they weren't going to fit. I just got them. I did. It's over here. He didn't open it yet. I just got them because I wanted to bring back something. I figured you weren't going to fit them.
Oh, Daddy, your Valentine's card.
This is how we flip over
Daddy, your Valentine's card.
What is that doing? Making omelets? Oh, man, pancakes. I
Ooh,
hope
what a beautiful card. And it's purple.
To the wonderful man I married.
Daddy's so silly.
Sometimes
Look.
it's when I see you working hard and giving your best. I
Is
said,
Daddy
get
making
off
fun
the
of Mommy?
computer and come over here. I want you.
You silly. To be continued.